Hi everyone, welcome to Techno Hacks. In today's video, I'm gonna guide you through how to log into Pokémon Go on your Android device. Watch the tutorial till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To log into Pokémon Go on your Android is quite easy. Open up your game launcher and tap open Pokémon Go application. From the first interface of Pokémon Go, you'll be able to see two options. If you already have an account, you can tap on the returning player option to log into your Pokémon Go. If you are new to Pokémon Go, tap on new player option. Since we are trying to log in today's video and since we are the returning player, let's tap on returning player option. Now, there are several menus that you can choose from on the next page. You can sign into your account with the help of your Facebook account, your Google account, or with your Pokemon Trainer Club account. Tap on the third option in order to log in with the help of email and password. If you've previously signed up to your Pokemon Go account using a Facebook or Google, select either Facebook or Google account. Make sure to choose the same option while logging in as well. Let me tap on the third option and on the next page it will ask you for your username and password. Enter your username that you created while signing up for your Pokemon Go account and head over to the password field and type in your password. In case you don't remember your username or your password, tap on forgot your username or password link and follow through the on-screen prompts. After filling in your details, tap sign in and you'll be able to log into your Pokemon Go account. That is how it can be done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.